What is up, everybody? My name's Jason with Jay-Z's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Woo! There we go. Okay, if you haven't seen the last episodes, make sure to go check that out. The links will be up here or up here, whatever. Just go check out the other videos if you haven't seen this up to this episode. But at the moment, I decided just to, because there was a few episodes that I cut out just because it wasn't too much going on, and I want to show you guys that action. You feel me? That action. So over here, I'm going to show you what I've been doing. The filling of at least four of the beds that I have. I have 5 beds. I'm not going to do 6. I'm going to do 5 beds, and I'm going to show you the process and what I'm doing right now because we got a lot of the material. So, thank you, Mr. Straw. Mushroom compost, vermiculite, perlite. I've got those things. I filled it up halfway, and then I put straw on top of it. This really helps out the garden because it protects like the seeds. So when the seeds sprout, like the birds can just peck on the seeds and eat my harvest and everything, like in its beginning stages before it even germinates. Helps with the germination process. So I'm putting straw over all of the beds. These 2 have been filled. I'm still putting more manure and other things in these beds, and I'm going to be recording that process as well. What else has happened? The birds, they have eggs in there now. Did I say that already? Their eggs are in there, and I see them in there very, very often. But that's about it. That's kind of happened garden-wise. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing now. Give some more commentary on the way, because I got to keep it interesting, you know? Like, how you gonna stay engaged if I'm just like slumped down over here? I gotta be like, ooh, I gotta be like this. That's how you keep the interest. Almost there. So it seems that, ooh, man, we got a maple tree out front, and the leaves, this leaf just straight up stabbed me, and I didn't know what happened. But back to what I was saying. So it seems like now I know, don't have enough for the bed behind us. The one right here, we don't have enough for. So that means I know the exact amount that I need next time. But the fact is that we don't have a truck, so we had to carry all this stuff, all the materials in the car, and the car was packed anyway. So I would say we did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna spread this out, put the hay on top. Straw, forgot. And yeah, these 2 beds are the last ones to be filled, and besides, you know, like making the garden look nice and everything, that's about it. Welp, that is what I've showed you guys this. When it comes to getting more things outside, that's gonna be another day where we get the other remainder things. But there's still stuff in this vlog that I want to point out and show, of course. So stick along for the ride, because nothing has been planted yet in the bed. So right now we're planting some cantaloupe and some watermelon seeds on the edges because they're viners. We planted, we planted these watermelons, the all sweet watermelons, in that last bed down there. Sorry, focus. The last bed down there, the last bed, the 3rd bed. We planted these watermelon seeds in these right here. these beds right here got these beds right here got these the watermelon seeds, and then we planted some of the cantaloupe here. This is just the small seeds that we're just planting right now. Put the hay on top so then the birds can get to it. And then for the other layers, we're gonna put the more watermelon cantaloupe in each of those beds when we get those filled. And then for the rest of them, like this layer right here, this next tier per se, is where the beans and the tomatoes and such will go. All right, we'll see you inside. 3, 2, I'll see you inside. 3, 2, 1. Yoo! Woo! That was fun. All right, so I wanted to end off the vlog right up in the downstairs greenhouse, the basement greenhouse, and just show you what we got growing in here, because we only planted a few seeds outside just because we're going to be getting some more plants and other things. But we started pretty late in the season just because of how weather's been out here. But now it's starting to warm up. We're going to start planting some more things outside. But let me show you what we got growing right now. Yeah, pointing it over here because I don't want you to see it just yet. But yeah, if you're not following the Instagram, make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. The name JG is JG_Nursery. So of course, get on the Instagram. That's where I did polls and all the other little sneak peek stuff on the other episodes. What I'm going to show you guys is pretty cool. All right, look at this. Okay, I switched to my phone to show you this, but look at this. This avocado tree right here. I've grown these from seed. They're actually the same year old. At least I put them in the same time. This one stayed down here and then got all the right nutrients and everything, which is why it has such a thick sort of stalk. It's a little bit thicker. But this one grew up in my Nana's room, and it didn't grow. It grew just so tall. Like look, it's like 3-4 feet tall. This one's like 2-3 feet tall. This one's like 4 foot tall. It's not as strong rooted because, like, look, if I do that, it's really sturdy because of the lights that I got down here have gave it like a nice overall. But when it's up there in my Nana's room, she doesn't have any grow lights. So, but look, it's tall, but watch this. It just flails in the wind, as you see. All that's gotten. The other thing are my potatoes. This one, it looks like it's falling down, but it's really just because the way I had it, it was last night. It was crooked in the way that it was placed, so then it started growing a little crooked. So now I placed it over here, so then it will, and I put it in the opposite direction, so then it will grow towards the light. It's straightened back up. All 6 of these, 7, 8, and 9 are potatoes, and 1, 2, 3 out of these ones have already sprouted. They're getting tall. Like those are recent right there. So that's another thing we're growing as well. I also have these potatoes over here as well. We have a lot of potatoes. This one, I thought nothing was going to happen because we had this as long as we had this one, and this one just randomly sprouted up. We have our cucumbers and kale, and these ones I haven't seen any sprouting, but we have seen the sprouting of a young bean right here that has been growing well. As this words be crazy. And these are some cantaloupe seeds we just put in here just to see what will happen. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a checkup to show you what's going on and what we're growing down here. Besides, oh yeah, we also have, the avocado seeds right here. I just wanted to give you guys this checkup. Look at that. Alright, I just wanted to give you guys this checkup downstairs of what we have growing. We're going to get some started up plants and everything as well, just support some local businesses and all that other stuff. But the garden is coming along. We have enough hay, so we're going to take that hay back, get some more materials and stuff like that. But overall, it's been a pretty good day. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe. Subscribe, comment, so YouTube will recommend this to you more. Share with your friends, and go follow the Instagram for any updates or polls or maybe a giveaway. You may have just missed out on a $25 car giveaway. Not saying anything, not looking at the camera, so it's not. Alright, whatever. If you stayed this long, just comment that I stayed for the whole video. And see y'all on the next video. Peace. Have a great day. Much love. Peace. Good night, garden friends. Wait, it's still day outside. Actually, I don't care. Good night, garden friends. Boop, boop.